or a full-time employee looking for an extra income source. Affiliate marketing can be the easiest way, it is in fact the easiest ways of generating some extra money for yourself. Now, to get started, you need an affiliate marketing link, which you're then supposed to share with people in whichever channels you want to share the link to, and you get compensated on commission basis based on the number of sales that happen through your affiliate link. In this video, I will be showing you how to, number one, create your Jumia affiliate marketing account, and then number two, I'll be showing you how to generate your Jumia affiliate links